At its MWCC 2022 event, Finnish smartphone maker HMD Global announced three new affordable phones with Android 11 Go edition. The three lie in the company's entry-level C series with a promise of 2 years of quarterly security updates. They include the Nokia C21, C21 Plus, and C2 Second Edition. Besides the Android Go-powered trio, the company also pulled the wraps off Nokia-branded earbuds and headphones to go in hand with the new affordable phones. Here's everything you need to know about Nokia's 2022 C series smartphone lineup. Starting with the C21 Plus, this is the top-of-the-line phone in the company's 2022 budget C series range. Besides sporting a metal chassis, it's also the first C series phone to feature an IP rating. The IP52 rating assures that the C21 Plus can withstand damage from different elements, including dirt, dust, and water droplets. Other key features of the C21 Plus include a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a toughened glass cover, dual camera setup, a 13MP primary camera and 5MP secondary depth camera, rear-placed fingerprint sensor, and either a 5050 mAh or 4000 mAh battery, depending on region. The Nokia C21 Plus is powered by an octa-core UNISO CSC9863A processor running in tow with 2GB, 3GB, or 4GB of memory paired with 32GB or 64GB of internal storage. Aside from that, it includes other staple stakes as well, like 4G LTE connectivity, micro USB 2.0 port 10W charging support, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The C21 Plus will retail starting at approximately $130, and will go on sale from April 2022. The C21 is a step down from the Plus variant. However, it retains the 6.5-inch HD Plus panel with toughened cover glass, the processor, and the rear-placed fingerprint sensor. It ships with either 2GB or 3GB of memory paired with 32GB or 64GB of storage. Being a budget phone, the C21 has a single 8MP camera on the rear and another single 5MP camera for selfies. A 3000 mAh battery powers the phone, and with the available micro USB 2.0 port, the device can be juiced at a peak speed of 5W. Nokia C21 starts at approximately $110, so if you have more cash to spend, check the best Nokia phones instead. It will be available in select markets globally at the end of March. If you want an even cheaper option, then the Nokia C2 Second Edition is what you should go for. It starts at approximately $88 with 1GB or 2GB of memory and 32GB of expandable storage. The C2 Second Edition has a smaller 5.7-inch 480p panel and a 2400 mAh battery. No fingerprint sensor is available. Instead, you'll have to use the available Face Unlock feature, which is also available on the C21 and C21 Plus. Moving to the camera side of things, the C2 Second Edition has a 5MP camera on the rear and a 2MP sensor on the front. The C2 Second Edition will hit the shelves from April 2022 in select markets globally.